Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best lentil soup. First, choose your lentils. Red lentils cook quickly, while brown lentils hold their shape well. Next, prepare your aromatic vegetables like onions, carrots, and celery. Sautéing these in a good olive oil for about 5 minutes creates a foundational flavor for your soup. Building on our base, let's talk about essential ingredients. A high-quality broth, either vegetable or chicken, is crucial for depth. Incorporate warm spices like 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1 teaspoon of coriander. Don't forget a bay leaf and a small pinch of red pepper flakes to add a subtle kick and complexity. Now, let's achieve that perfect consistency. After adding your lentils and liquid, simmer the soup gently for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until the lentils are wonderfully tender. If you prefer a thinner soup, simply add a bit more broth. For a velvety texture, blend about 1/3 of the soup with an immersion blender. Finally, the finishing touches make all the difference. Season your soup generously with about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice, roughly 2 tablespoons, brightens all the flavors. Serve your delicious lentil soup hot, garnished with fresh parsley and a drizzle of good extra virgin olive oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.